Is it being multiplied with any other value over here? It's not, right?
Mm.
So what will you do is you'll
No.
simply copy it down exactly the same way. X square minus, what you need to do is you need to open any of the one brackets from the both. So I'll open the first bracket, I'll multiply it with the other bracket. So I'll write down 3x multiply by 2x plus 1 bracket close. Now we have the other number that is minus 4. I'll write down minus 4 again over here, and I'll copy down that bracket again like we did in the question number 8 as well. Now when you multiply them, what's the answer that we'll get? 4x square is going to come as it is. Minus 3x multiply by positive 2x will give you positive or negative 6x square.
Negative.
Negative.
Negative, very good. Negative x square, and then 3x multiplied by plus 1 gives you again
Negative 3.
negative 3x. Very good. Now 4 is being multiplied with this bracket only, right? 4 does not has any of the variables along with it. So you'll write down simply 4 multiply by 2 gives you 8. X will come as it is minus 4. Now it is already arranged in the sequence that is the quadratic expression, that is ax square plus bx plus c, right? So if you solve them, what's the answer that you'll get? Minus 2x square minus 11x minus 4. This is the answer that you'll have. Yes or no?
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
So is this thing clear to everyone?
Yes.
So it is exactly like the question number 8 that we already did. There's nothing.
Yes.
Only thing that is happening over here is they have given us the square x square value as well. In the question number 8, we did not have that. We did not have that, right?
Miss, I think this answer is wrong because on the back side of the book there is
Did
something
I
else
copy down the
as that.
equation correctly? Oh, this is, wait, let me do it again. The equation that we have is x square minus whole bracket this minus 4, then again 2x plus 1, right? So 4x square as it is, minus will come over here, 3x is being multiplied by 2x plus 1, right? So this is the mistake that I made. And then what is the next thing that we have? Again, minus 4, 2x plus 1, right? 4x square minus 6x square plus minus 3x let's take the first bracket rather than the second bracket and see if we get the same answer or not. The only mistake that we are having is over here, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am. It's only
I guess
the
it's the
signs which
sign
is
mistake
plus.
somewhere, that's why. Otherwise, the answer is right. You guys do recheck it again, see where's the mistake happening. Can you figure it out? Try to solve it yourself as well and see if you guys are getting the same answer. Maybe then it's wrong at the back. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's keep 4x square minus on the side right now. And let's multiply only this number. 3x minus 4 and 2x plus 1. So 3x, 2x.
Ma'am,
Yes,
teacher, the answer I got it's 2x square minus 2x square plus 11x square and then minus 4.
that is the same answer that I am even getting. But the thing is, the answer at the back is different. I guess that's a mistake over there.
Yes, Miss, I think so.
So let's do the part B and see if you are getting the correct answer or not. Okay. So 2x, x minus 6. Then we have minus sign again. Then we have the bracket again, 2x plus 5. And then we have 7 minus x. So this is being multiplied with this one. So this is going to be x square minus 12x, right? And then the minus sign is going to come over here as well. I'll open the bracket, I'll write down 2x. I'll multiply it with the other bracket, 7 minus x plus 5. And then again, 7 minus x. So 2x square minus 12x minus 14x plus 2x square plus 35 minus 5x, right? This is the answer that we'll get. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Miss, I
So-
also got the same answer.
How many x square values do we have? We have 1 over here and we have 1 over here. So it's going to become 4x square minus 5x, 19x, and then 12x. Add them up and tell me the answer. Did you guys do it? Okay, so C. sign mistake that we are having is over here. This plus is going to become minus when it multiplies with this, right? So this is going to be minus 5. Now if we add 12 plus 14 gives you 26. 26 minus 5 gives you 21x minus 35. Is this thing clear?
Yes,
Yes, miss.
Good. Now I'll go back to the part A and we'll do it again. Okay. Is everyone done copying this question?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
Okay. So the part A was somewhere like this. 4x square minus 3x minus 4 and then 2x again plus 1. So first of all, we need to multiply this minus sign with this bracket. So we'll have 4x square minus 3x minus 4. That's going to be changed into plus. Now we have to multiply these two numbers that we have with this value. So if we have 4x square minus 3x multiplied by 2x plus 1 plus 4 multiplied by 2x plus 1. So this is going to be 4x square minus 6x square minus 3x plus 8x plus 4. Now if we subtract them, we'll get the answer as minus 2x square plus 5x plus 4. This is the answer that we have. So is it clear? So the mistake that we have was this minus sign. We first of all we need to multiply this minus sign while opening this bracket as well. Okay. Is this thing clear? Now is everyone done with the part A as well?
No, miss.
Okay, complete
No,
it
miss.
and okay, complete it and then let me know. Then I'll be explaining you the part C and then I want you guys to do part D by yourself. Is everyone done copying this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll move on to the next part. That is part C, and it says 4x minus 3 whole bracket, then again x plus 2 minus, and then 3x minus 5 whole bracket again, and then we have minus x minus 9. So first of all, we need to open the first bracket and multiply it with the other bracket. So we have 4x, x plus 2, and then minus 3. That's going to be multiplied with the other bracket as well, x plus 2. Now minus 3x, as this is negative, this is positive, it's going to become negative. And I'll multiply it with this bracket, that's going to be minus x minus 9. Now we have a negative sign over here as well and a negative sign over here as well, right? So it's going to turn into positive sign, and then minus x minus 9 again. So this is going to be 4x square plus 8x minus 3x minus 6 plus 3x square plus 27x plus minus minus 5x and then minus 45. Okay. Now we have to bring down the values that have x square to the one side and arrange them in the quadratic form. So let's do it. 4x square plus 3x square plus 8x minus 3x plus 27x minus 5x minus 6 minus 45. So we'll have 7x square over here, and do this calculation, it's going to be minus 8 and 8 over here. This and this gets cancelled out. Minus 3 and minus 5 gives you minus 8, right? And then plus 8 it gets cancelled out over here like this, and then we left with plus 27x minus 51. Is this the answer at the back? Is this thing clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Is the answer right?
Answer is correct.
Okay. Now what I want you guys to do is to do question number. Once you're done completing this question, move on to the part B and complete that. And then if we are left with the time, then we can start with the new exercise. That's going to be your 3B. And that's going to be the last exercise that we have. But that is totally a different exercise. So I guess we should start that one in the next class, because in that you have to do the factorization. So it's totally different from this one.
Miss, I've done factorization and this topic in my previous class in another school.
Okay.
So I kind of have an idea of this topic.
Okay, that's good. But what about the rest of the ones then? Have you guys done that as well before? Factorization? No? Okay, so what we can do is we'll start with the new exercise in the next class, and we'll see what is the difficulty that you guys are facing. So I want you guys to do the part D right now. Are you guys all done with this? And let me take the attendance first. So are you all done with this? Yes. So let's then I'll share the other screen. So I want each and every one of you to do the part D and send me the answers in the chat. This is the part D. Is everyone done? Or do you guys want me to solve this? Okay, let's do one thing. I'll solve this question for you and I want you to recheck it, okay? So the question that we have is 2x plus 3, 5x minus 2, minus 2, 5x minus 3, and then x plus 1. So first of all, you need to open this bracket and multiply it with the other one. So you'll have 2x, 5x minus 2 plus 3, 5x minus 2 bracket close. Minus 2 has to be multiplied with this bracket first, and then you will multiply this bracket with the other bracket. So you'll have minus 10x plus 6. Now you have this in the bracket. Now you need to multiply this with the other bracket. So you'll have 10x square minus 4x plus 15x minus 6. And then over here, 10x is being multiplied by x plus 1. 6 is being multiplied with x plus 1 again. So you'll copy down this again as it is. It's going to become x square. Solve this. This is going to be plus 11x minus 6. Now you have 10x being multiplied with 10x gives you x square. Then you have minus 10x, right? And then you have 10x squared minus minus 10x plus 6x plus 6. So plus 6 and minus 6 got cancelled out over here. And again, then what we have this. And this one that got cancelled out. Wait, let's do it again. So how much have you done up till now? Are you guys rechecking your working as well?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this thing clear? Now bring down the values on the one side. Solve this and tell me the answer that you guys are getting. Minus 6 plus 6. So these two got cancelled out and these two got cancelled out as well. So 15x plus 6x gives you 21x. 21x minus 14x gives you what? It gives you 7x, right? So 7x is the answer. Is this thing clear or do you want me to explain you? I know it's a bit lengthy question. Okay, so what you need to do first of all is you have two brackets over here, right? You write it down simply, and then there's a 2 that is being multiplied with this bracket only. That is the one that I have circled right now. Can you guys see that?
Yes, ma'am.
That is 5x minus 3. Once you multiply them, you get the answer over here. That is going to be 10x minus 10x plus 6. Minus 2 multiplied 5x gives you minus 10x, and then minus gives you positive over here, and 2 multiplied with 3 gives you 6 over here. Now we have the brackets that are being multiplied with each other. So I'll open this bracket first. That is this one. I'll open it. I open it over here and I multiply it with the other one. And then we have a minus over here, right? Then I'll write down the minus sign as it is. I'll open this bracket and multiply it with the other bracket as well, which I did over here. See? Can you guys see these two things?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, once you multiply them, this is the answer that you'll get. Now, arrange them into the sequence that is the quadratic expression, that is ax square plus bx plus c, right? Now, once I arrange them in this equation, so x square values are over here, x values are over here, and then the constant values are over here. So if I have plus 10x squared and minus 10x squared, they both are going to be cancelled out. It's going to become 0, right? And if I add them up, if I have minus 4x and minus 10x, it's going to become 14x, right? Which I've written over here. And then 15x plus 6x gives you 21x, which is over here. And on the other side, we have minus 6 and then we have plus 6. If these two have the negative different signs, so they both are going to be cancelled out as well. So what we are left is 21x minus 14x. So we'll get the answer as 7x. Is this thing clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So let's keep it till here for today. And then we'll start the new class, new exercise in the new chapter, okay? So I'll see you guys in the next class, okay? Take care, Lafis. Lafis.
Allah Hafiz, miss.
Lafis.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Ma'am, this is Silva from the student academy. How are you? Good. अच्छा, morning में बात इसमें मैं